cried today, 'cause he was telling everyone in town all the love that he just found, and Marie's the name of his latest flame. He talked and talked, and I heard him say that she had the longest, blackest hair, prettiest green eyes anywhere, and Marie's the name of his latest flame. Although I smiled, the tears inside her were burning, I wished him luck, and then he said goodbye. Well, he was gone, but still his words kept returning. What else was there for me to do but cry? Would he believe that yesterday this girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally, and Marie's the name of his latest flame. Would you believe that yesterday this girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally, and Marie's the name of his latest flame. Although I smiled, the tears inside her were burning, I wished him luck, and then I said goodbye. Well, he was gone, but still his words kept returning. What else was there for me to do but to cry? Would he believe that yesterday this girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally, and Marie's the name of his latest flame. Oh, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Oh, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Yeah, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Yeah, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Oh, Marie's the name of his latest flame.